Good morning, students. In lecture number 6, I will discuss exercise 2, 10.2, question number 10. Question number 10 is prove that angle between the two tangent. Angle between the two tangent. P and PB are two tangent. This angle drawn from an external point. P is a external point to the circle is supplementary. This angle is supplementary angle to the angle subtended by line segment joining the point of contact A and B to the center. This angle also. So you have to prove that this angle plus this angle equal to 180 degree. The question is clear here. The angle between the two tangent drawn from an external point to the circle is supplementary. The angle subtended by line segment joining the point of contact A and B, the point of contact to the center. This angle. We have to prove that this plus this angle equal to 180 degree. So given is let PA and PB are two tangent drawn from an external point P to the circle with center O. You have to prove that this angle APB plus angle AOB equal to 180 degree. Solution. This is very easy. Angle A and angle B is equal to 90 degree because radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other at contact point. Theorem 10.1. And then in quadrilateral PAOB by angle sum property of quadrilateral angle P plus A plus O plus B equal to 360, and then angle P plus A 90, O plus B 90, because you know very well, equal to 360, 190 plus 90, 180, P plus O, this you transfer from left to right, then angle P plus O equal to 360 minus 180 equal to 90. This P angle, this you can write APB, this angle O, this you can write AOB equal to 180 degree. Now next question number 13. 13 is prove that opposite side of a quadrilateral circumscribed to a circle. This quadrilateral is circumscribed to a circle, means all sides of this quadrilateral, all four sides of this quadrilateral touches the circumference of this circle. Clear? So you have to prove that opposite side AB and CD angle, the prove that opposite side of a quadrilateral circumscribed to a circle subtend angle at the center, supplementary angle at the center, means opposite side AOB, this angle made by this side AB at the center AOB plus this opposite side of AB CD and side made this angle COD equal to 180 degree. Supplementary. How you will prove it? Let ABCD be a quadrilateral which circumscribed to a circle, and you have to prove that first AOB plus COD equal to 180 degree. Secondly, opposite side of BC is AD. Then you can say that here BOC plus AOD equal to 180 degree. Now construction, you join OP, OQ, OR and OS. Then how can you prove? In triangle APO, this O, ASO, angle P is equal to angle QS 90 degree because radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other at contact point. This OP equal to OS, radius of the same circle, and OA equal to OA is common by RHS congruence rule, triangle APO congruent triangle ASO, or you can say that here angle O is equal to O means angle 1 equal to angle 2 by CP CD. Similarly, in these two triangles, angle 3 is equal to 4. In these two triangle, angle 5 is equal to 6. In these two triangle, angle 7 is equal to 8. Clear? And then angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 equal to 360, because sum of this angle is complete angle. This is complete angle. And this, you have to prove that angle AOB means angle 1 plus 3 and COD means 6 plus 7 equal to 180 degree. So angle 1, same this angle 2 you can change into 1, twice of 1. 4, this you can write 3, because 4 is equal to 3, so twice of 3, similarly twice of 6, twice of 7 equal to 360, and 2 is common, angle 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 7. You remember this, equal to 180. Here A 1 plus 3 means AOB, and 6 plus 7, this one COD equal to 180 degrees. Similarly, angle BOC plus AOD equal to 180 degree. So this question is very important. So thank you.